It's the Pennyman.
All right, I'm still after this target. Weird. Weird, I'm not getting it. It's like, it's either really deep. Ah, there it is. Deep one, Evan. Ooh, nice buckle here. What's this, Ev? Whoa, what is that?
That's an old buckle. Yeah, that's mint.
Wow, that's cool.
How about the other one? That's awesome. You're finding some sick.
How old is this one?
I want to say could be late 16s, could be early 17s through mid 17s.
Unbelievable.
All right, here's the buckle, fresh out of the ground. As you can see, it's covered in dirt. This next picture right here, I used a little soap and warm water, and it's cleaned up a little bit. And this famous buckle book shows a similar one, which says 1575 to the year 1700. It's the Pennyman.